Hey, we're back. Me and the poodles. Well, what can I say? A lot's changed. I've been stuck in one place more or less for the last few months because I've been having operations and I've got problems, health problems. So I've not done a lot of filming for those reasons. I'm getting on the mend now though, so I've thought, now's time to come back. Thank you for hanging around, those of you who've stayed as subscribers. I'm really excited to start filming again, especially now the weather's warming up, summer's on its way, and I've got lots to tell you. The van has changed. I've moved things around, configured things. I'm having to change my fridge because my fridge has died, so that's been a bit stressful, not having any fridge to put meat and things in. So a friend of mine is going to do that for me today, so I'll film it. I'm going to take my old fridge out, which is a 3-way fridge, runs off gas, electricity when you plug in, and 12 volt. And I've changed it for a compressor fridge, 12 volt compressor fridge. So I'm now thinking that maybe I should have just see if I could get the old one fixed, because a compressor fridge you run from your leisure battery, and my leisure battery is quite old, so I'm probably going to have to change that at some point to a more powerful battery. And my solar on the roof as well, that's probably going to have to change. I've only got 150, so I'll probably have to put a 300 watt one on. These are all things that I can't afford at the minute, so that's going to have to happen slowly. But I have found a place to park up with electricity for the time being, while I'm waiting to get some more money coming in, because I've not been able to work with having operations and things. So currently living off savings and a little bit of sick pay. So yeah, lots have happened. I'm quite excited to be back, and yeah, I can't wait. So I shall speak to you later. Bye. Good morning. Well, I didn't get my fridge done yesterday, and I shall tell you about that a bit later on. But I'm just coming on to tell you that I'm off to the zoo today with my best friend and her granddaughter and her daughter and another friend of ours. So I'm going to do some filming there, and then I will come back to you later on and let you know what's happening with my fridge. finally here. Got a queue for a ticket for the car now. But yeah. Well, we're back. That was amazing. I've not been to Blackpool Zoo for such a long time. Not since I was a little girl, actually. Actually, no, that's a lie. I took my son when he was a little boy, so yeah, it's changed a lot, and some of the animals weren't there when I used to go. So yeah, it was brilliant, and they've got a lovely sea lion show, which I tried to film, but there was just we were sat too far away, so we couldn't really get anything. But we all enjoyed ourselves. We all sat and ate our dinner that we took with us because the prices were silly, as you'd expect. But yeah, I filmed quite a lot, and I know I've put the names on some of the animals, and I know you're not stupid and you know what they are, but I just thought I'd put it in there for, you know, if you've got anybody watching that's young. So yeah, this place where I'm parked up is really beautiful. It's a stable yard near where I used to live, and they're letting me park here for the time being while I've got no fridge, so I can plug into the electric. So the fridge is going to be working on the electric, thank God. So yes, the fridge. I bought the new compressor fridge and it arrived, and I unpackaged it ready to go in to put it in the van because it wouldn't fit in the box, and brought it to the farm, and my friend came to the farm to take the old fridge out with me. So we took all the vents off the back, and he had a look at the jets at the back, the gas jets, because I run it on gas. And he said, I think that's what your problem is. I said, what? He said, well, the gas the jets are all rusted and blocked. So he took it off and he had a good look. He said, no, he said, that's what your problem is. You need to replace that if you can get hold of one. And I was like, oh, let me just have a look online then, and let me see if I can replace it, because it's a 91 vehicle. You never know, do you? You might not be able to get the parts. So went online and managed to find one on eBay for £84, and I thought, well, that's a lot cheaper than £319, which I paid for the fridge. So I've ordered that, and I'm sending the fridge back. So the part arrives on Thursday at my mother's, so I'm going to go to my mother's, and they're collecting the fridge from my mother's as well, so I'll be there next week. Sorry, this week, because it's Tuesday now, isn't it? So yeah, so I'm sending the fridge back without the box and all the polystyrene that it came in. So I've got to now shop today to buy a box and some polystyrene to put the fridge back in, ready for them to come and collect it on Thursday. But hey, £84 is a lot better, isn't it? Especially when you're living on the breadline at the moment, which I am. So hopefully that'll fix it. And it'll continue to run on gas for a few years, which is great, because I was getting a bit concerned after reading some articles and watching some vlogs about the battery life with the van running, with the fridge running constantly, draining the battery, and it's an old battery, as I say, it's not lithium or anything. So it's saving me having to change all that, a new solar panel, new battery, new wires, all that sort of palaver. So I'm very, very happy about that, and I'm very grateful to my friend who's a gas engineer who came out to help me do it, because without him I would have been struggling. I think I would have had to have plugged my fridge into my power bank, and that wouldn't have been ideal, would it really? Anyway, so that's it. I'm going to end my vlog here. And I know it's a short one this time, but it's my first one after coming back, and I'm not been travelling around so much because I haven't got the money for this. Diesel prices are ridiculous, so hopefully I'll be able to do another one for you next week. Find some good footage. Anyway, I'll turn you around so you can see the view from my window at the moment. Lovely that, isn't it? Anyway, I shall say bye for now. Be bold, be brave, but be free. Mwah. Bye.